Hello friends, I am Prithviraj Sijala and I welcome you in my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to discuss about necessity of wire color codes. What is the reason behind particular color wire used for particular wire? So guys, let's start. First question arises in our mind that what is the need of wire color codes? Why we are not using one color wire for our whole home wiring? Yes, it is definitely possible that we can do our whole home wiring by using only one color wire. But this is not the preferable, because whenever other electrician or other technician have to work on that wiring, then electrician cannot understand properly. On the other hand, if every wire had its particular color code, then it is very easily understandable. So international standard organization decides particular wire color code for particular wire. So let's see which color are used for which wire. First we talk about three-phase power supply. So in three-phase supply, red, yellow and blue color used for live or phase wires. For single phase wire, live wire is denoted by red color. For neutral wire, black color is used. And for earthing wire, green color is used. So friends, I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching guys. Have a wonderful day.